If you want to list a collection using Qdrant in N8N, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a really useful setup if you're working with vector databases, managing your data, or just need to inspect the collections inside your Qdrant instance from within N8N. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast N8N tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This can be an existing workflow or a new one, as long as you're ready to add the Qdrant node. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can add new actions and services to your automation. In the search bar, type Qdrant, then choose the Qdrant node from the list. After that, look through the available operations and select List Collection. This is the option you need when you want to retrieve or view the collections available in your Qdrant setup. Now, it's time to configure what you want. Set up the required connection details, choose the correct credentials if needed, and adjust any available parameters based on the collection information you want to return. Make sure everything is pointed to the right Qdrant instance so the node can communicate properly. Once your settings are in place, you can run the node or test the workflow to confirm it's working correctly. If everything is configured properly, N8N will return the collection data from Qdrant, and you'll be able to use that output in the next step of your automation. And that's it. You've now learned how to list a collection using Qdrant in N8N. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next N8N walkthrough.